present perfect, past simple, and present simple. Objectives: to learn present perfect by talking about a student's recent activities. What you will learn: rules to make present perfect, the difference between present perfect and past simple, the difference between present perfect and present simple, and finally the difference between gone and been. First, let's look at the rule to make present perfect. Make the present perfect using the verb have with past participle, that is, the subject I, you, we, they, have, and then past participle, example, finished. Negative, haven't with past participle or an example, finished. Again, subject he, she, it joins with has and then past participle, finished, and negative, hasn't finished. Now, let's look at the rule to make questions and short answers as follows. Question: have joins with I, you, we, they, and then verb 3. Answer: yes, I have, no, I haven't. Then has joins with he, she, it, then verb 3, and then yes, he has, no, he hasn't. Now, let's look at the differences between present perfect and past simple. Present perfect is used to talk about recent events up to now. Example: I have finished school. In this example, finished school is connected with present, that is, he finished school recently. Now let's look at past simple. This is about a finished action in the past. I finished school in 1998, and this is a finished action. Now let's look at the differences between present perfect and present simple. Use present perfect, not present simple, for an event or situation which began in the past and continues in the present when we want to say how much time it has been going on. Look at the example. I have been a student for 5 months. I have been a student since August 2019. Whereas present simple is used to talk about facts or events, and we don't know how long. What do you do? I am a student. Now, let's look at the differences between gone and been. The verb go has 2 past participles, gone and been. However, there is a difference in the meaning. Let's look at the examples and learn the meaning. First, gone. Where is your brother? He has gone to the market. The meaning is, my brother is traveling to the market and he is still there. Now let's look at been. The same question. Where is your brother? He has been to the market. Here the meaning is, my brother went to the market. He is back home now. Present perfect means at a time up to now. An example: already, ever, for, lately, never, recently, since, at. So we can use these words with present perfect. Number one, my brother has already graduated just recently. My brother has recently graduated. I have studied college for 2 years. He's still studying and he's a student. He's a student and in the college for 3 years. Sorry, 2 years. I have studied college since 2017. So he joined college in 2017 and he is a student now. Number 5, my brother hasn't graduated yet. So look at this word yet. We use at last, not in the middle. He is still graduating. Lastly, question, have you ever been to America? Have you gone to America? Have you been to America just once at least? Finally, let's look at the difference between present perfect and past simple when we use with this morning, this afternoon, this year, or today. Present perfect is used to talk about until now. Let's look at the example. I have been to the market this morning. The meaning is, it is still morning, but the past simple is used to talk about finished time period. That is, I went to the market this morning, a finished time period, because it's now afternoon. What did we learn? First, the rules with present perfect. Next, the difference between present perfect and past simple. And then difference between present perfect and present simple. Finally, the difference between gone and been. Subscribe and encourage. Thank you.